Hey, today I'm gonna talk about configuring a router and turn it into a PC. So, uh, if for some reason you are going to use HCL, this software, um, this video will help you to turn the router into to configure a router and turn it into a PC because in my case, I was having a hard time, or still I'm having a hard time to configure a host and to configure a host and configure the IP address and stuff like that. So what I did was I actually configured this router here. You can see the type, so it's MSR 36/20 router. I turned that router into a PC, and um, basically this is the same topology that I've been using in the at least the last video that I created. So I'm using the same topology. So let me go to host or PC2 and show you the, let me just put that on that side and go here. So if you are basically configuring a computer, you just have to configure its IP address and the MAC address and the gateway, right? And in some cases the TNS server and yeah, stuff like that. So here I'm going to just configure the interface on this router. So in this case, it already has an IP address. I didn't expect that, but let me just do show. Okay, so here let's pretend that, okay, I'm actually gonna, let's say server, yeah, server. So here, description, I'm gonna make this servers, okay. So we'll save, because it's not really a printer. So it could be a server or a host. So let me go to that port or interface and do a this. So it has already an IP address. So this, like I said, this topology is the one that I've been using in the videos that I created like a few months ago. So that's why it's this port already has an IP address. So this is the IP address and /24, which is in VLAN 40, right? Yeah, VLAN 40. So let me see if I can ping the gateway. I can't. So it has no layer 3 connectivity to the gateway. Let's go to switch to and check its configuration. Change settings, appearance, 14, really 14. So show system. Okay. So the port is connected to the port that is connected to the PC2 is this port. 1 0. Okay. Let's play this. This is actually a trunk port. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, I already configured this switch here. Appearance 14. It's gonna copy and paste the config on the port, the same port. So display 1 0 1. Oops, it's not the correct command. Display this. Okay, I'm gonna go back to switch 2 and I'm just gonna default this first. Default, yes, and just copy and paste these commands, or maybe I can. Oops. Okay, description. So servers, and port access. So it's gonna be 40, and just copy the rest of the configs. Okay, display this. Okay, undo shut, just in case. I think it's already undo shut, and quit. Display. Okay. So it's saying 1 gig auto, duplex auto, type access, private ID 40, description servers. And I'm gonna actually go here to host, and I'm gonna say server 1, because that would be realistic, right? So server 1. Okay. All right. So let me see if I can ping the gateway now. The IP address of the gateway is this. I can ping it now. So let me see if a default route is actually configured on this server or device. Okay, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and configure a static route. Okay. Save course. And going back to this to switch to save course. And I'm also gonna ping the server IP address, which is display this from the core switch. Okay, looking good. And display ARP is to check the ARP table. So this is the IP address of the server, and this is the MAC address. So the router is acting as a host or server in our case. So it's working fine. So if you like this video, please subscribe and drop a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.